Hey guys, Freebie Fridays. Not sure who all may have been following this or not, but there has been since 2016. This has been the fight's been longer than that, but this particular battle has been going on since 2016, trying to get fluoride banned from public drinking water. Um, this came through Food and Water Watch. We have activist Karen Spencer. I don't know all the background on her. I think to some degree she was trying to keep it out of her own community's water supply, and then that spun off into something a little bit bigger, which is a good thing. And so, anyway, up until yesterday, I hadn't had much more current information, finding out then that a federal judge had approved it, like on New Year's Eve. He made the resolution that says yes, they will actually be going to court. The EPA has been fighting it, tooth and nail since the beginning. First, they just outright denied it. Then an official, lawsuit had to be filed. It was approved by the judge. The lawyers in the case, requested the EPA to turn over all of their current research on fluoride, and the EPA denied that and said we don't have to give that to you. So they go back to court, and the judge ruled yes, indeed, you must turn over all of your research into fluoride, which I think it's not in this article, but it's in one that I read. I think the bulk of their scientific research ended in the mid to late 60s, and they had no current studies were really included in their justification of adding that into the drinking water. So it went back again, back and forth, and then they wanted to. I think this is a study one. There's a lot. I'll show you another one in a minute. But there was a big study done in Canada that showed without a doubt, young children ingesting fluoride does lower IQ. Well, the EPA was like, well, that's not allowed to be part of the discussion. You can't use that because this suit was filed in 2016, so you can't use anything that came out after 2016. And the judge, in turn said that was never part of the deal. And then the EPA again says, well, then we have to shut the whole thing down because we're going to have to go, reset. So we're going to reschedule. And the judge, to a degree, with this article, was like in a place. He denied their petition to extend the trial, which was actually set to start February 3rd, and but then that got denied. And so yes, indeed, they are going to court. And here we are, right to this one. And so on April 20th, 2020, in San Francisco, officially the EPA is going to have to present their information in a courtroom setting under oath against the, I guess the plaintiffs are the good guys in this one. The EPA are actually the defendants. And and the reason being is because under the Toxic Substances Control Act, if there's new information, it must come out. You must put it on the table. It's written in the EPA's own code. So, anyway, I know it's just saying this is the first time in its 43-year-old history that citizens have been able to successfully bring a suit to court under the Toxic Substance Control Act. The EPA is finally going to be held accountable for its decades of neglect with respect to protecting citizens. And this could open up a whole nother can of worms. So, but right now, step one is this one. And step one for you, go over here to Food and Water Watch, find links to, support them, help them. And yeah, it's like sometimes the fight is long to get things changed, but we just got to keep fighting. Fluoride's not specifically my fight. I'm in my 50s now. The outside of the calcification of my pineal gland, if that is legitimate, which it seems to be from stuff I've read. I try to do my best to limit the amount of fluoride that goes into my body. But so anyway, it's about the little kids. This fight's about the kids that's about to be born in this country. let's see something good happen here. So there'll be some links. You can contact people. You can contact the judge, the lawyers, the people involved in it. Just give them well wishes, give them your support, and again, we're not alone. We're not alone in this fight. There's battles being won every day. We're going to tear these walls down. I'm going to keep looking in on. I'm going to keep trying to tear the walls down on weather modification personally. But so yeah, I hope this reaches somebody who's interested in it, and I hope you can take it even a step further than I've done right here. So anyway, y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon.